Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dissect and critique the latest tech gadgets and components. Today, we have something exciting to talk about: the ZOTAC Gaming GeForce RTX 4070 Twin-Edge OC White Edition graphics card. This powerhouse of a graphics card boasts DLSS 3, Ada Lovelace architecture, and a whole lot more. Let's dive into the details. This graphics card is powered by NVIDIA's DLSS 3 technology, offering superb performance for gaming and content creation. It features the ultra-efficient Ada Lovelace architecture, ensuring top-notch graphics performance. With a boost clock of 2490 MHz and 12 GB of GDDR6X memory, you're getting a beast of a GPU that can handle any task you throw at it. The Ice Storm 2.0 advanced cooling system keeps your card running cool, even during intense gaming sessions. It features 2x90mm fans, freeze fan stop, and active fan control. Customize your gaming rig with Spectra RGB lighting, adding that extra touch of style and personality. Yes, you heard that right. This card is 8K ready and also supports up to 4 displays simultaneously. It's designed to fit in a compact space, measuring just 8.9 inches in length and occupying a slim 2.2 slot design. With 3x DisplayPort 1.4a and 1x HDMI 2.1a, you have plenty of options for connecting your displays. It only requires a 600-watt power supply and has a maximum power consumption of 200 watts, thanks to its PCIe 4.0 compatibility. We all know that benchmarks and specs are important, but what's it like to actually use this graphics card? Let's hear from users who have had hands-on experience. User Super Dan gave it a 5-star rating and mentioned it's great for both 4K and 1080p gaming with an i7-1370K processor. In conclusion, the ZOTAC Gaming GeForce RTX 4070 Twin-Edge OC White Edition DLSS 3 graphics card offers top-tier performance, exceptional cooling, and a sleek design to make your gaming setup stand out. If you're looking for a powerful GPU to elevate your gaming and content creation experience, this might just be the card for you. That wraps up our critique of the ZOTAC Gaming GeForce RTX 4070 Twin-Edge OC White Edition. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with more in-depth product critiques. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and we'll catch you in the next one.